Let's look at question number 11 now. It says which of the following reflects situation where a person is employed but do not contribute in adding to the total product. Now when I look at the four particular given statements here, it says open unemployment, disguised unemployment, seasonal unemployment and frictional unemployment. Now we easily identify that when we are talking about hidden unemployment, where people are not actually employed, the correct answer should be disguised unemployment. And which option states that for us? The option that is given here is option number 2, and hence the answer to the question should be correct, option number 2. Let's look at the next one. Let's proceed to question number 12 now. It says there are 100 households in the village of Avankul, of which the loan taken by 20 households are from State Bank of India, another 20 from their friends and relatives, 5 households from Indian Bank, 10 from Regional Rural Bank, 15 households from businessmen, 10 from village headmen and 20 households from cooperative society. Given on the number of loans taken, we have the question which says which of the following inferences is or are correct. Now when I look at the inferences carefully, I can easily notice that the given set of inferences are talking about institutional sources of credit and non-institutional. The institutional sources of credit were 55 compared to the non-institutional sources, which were 45, and thus statement 2, which says institutional sources of credit are higher, becomes the correct statement. And which option states that? Clearly we can see that option 3 states that only statement 2 is right, and thus the answer to my question should be option 3. Let's move on to the next question. It says which of the following statements are true about food security. Now when I look at the given set of statements, we notice that the first one says landless people always have food insecurity. Absolutely correct. Now moving to 2 and 3, we notice it talks about how those who do not have enough nutritious food are food insecure, which is not related to food insecurity. Those who have enough food but not the requisite nutrition, again not related to food insecurity, and therefore both of them become wrong. The fourth one, however, clearly mentions that those who do not have enough purchasing power to buy sufficient food are food insecure. This is again right, and therefore based on the given 4 options, I notice 1 and 4 are absolutely right. Which option states that? Clearly option 2 says statement 1 and 4 are right, and hence the correct answer should be option 2. I hope the explanation was clear itself. Let's look at the next question now.